Hi boys and girls, I wanted to talk to you about shapes again. So we're going to take a look at this video together. Let's listen to the song first.
Come on kids, name that shape. Come on kids, you'll do great. Count the sides that you see. All these shapes are 2D.
So friends, this is called a... That's right. Oh, let's go back to that one. That's right, this one's called a triangle. Do you remember how many sides a triangle has? Right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And they're straight sides. That's important. It has 3 vertices too. 1, 2, 3. Vertices are corners. What's the name of this shape? That's right, it's a circle. This shape does not have any straight sides, and it does not have any vertices either, because it's made of a curved line. Let's look at the next shape. Do you remember the name of this shape? That's right, it's a square. How many sides do squares have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are straight sides. Squares are very special because all of the sides have to be the same length. The other thing about a square is that it has 4 vertices. There's the word square. What's the name of this shape? This one was tricky. It begins with the letter H. Do you remember? That's right, hexagon. This shape is called a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon also has 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what makes a hexagon special. Let's see what shape is next. Aha! This looks a lot like a square, doesn't it? And what's interesting about it is squares can actually be rectangles, but rectangles cannot be squares. What makes a rectangle special is that it has opposite sides that are the same length. Here's what I mean. This side and this side are the same length. This side and this side are the same length. So there are 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. But really what makes a rectangle special are the opposite sides being the same length. We didn't talk about this one yesterday. This one looks like a circle that someone sat on. Do you know what this one's called? Right, this one is called an oval. Ovals do not have any straight sides or any vertices, a lot like the circle. Do you remember the name of this shape? It was pretty tricky. Yes, rhombus, you're right. This one is a rhombus. We said it looks like a diamond, but the fancy math name is a rhombus. We figured out that rhombuses have 4 straight sides and 4 vertices, or corners. An interesting thing about the rhombus is that all of the sides have to be the same length, a lot like a square. But the vertices look a little different than they do in a square. Here's the word rhombus. And we're back at the beginning again. Do you remember the name of this shape? This shape is another rectangle, that's right. What about the red shape? You got it, it's a triangle. Do you think you'd be able to name all of these shapes? Try it. Ready? Circle, rectangle, triangle, square, hexagon, rhombus, oval, triangle, rhombus, or it could even be no, it's a rhombus, circle, oval, rectangle, hexagon, square, triangle, rectangle. Did you get them all? That's great. That's pretty tricky.